Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. This video contains beautiful designs of butterfly wall paint ideas. If you decor your room, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains beautiful designs of butterfly ideas for your room decor. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you so much.